interested to see how this game will play out.
And here we go. This is the grand finals ng Jukes to Go Pilipinas 3x3. Unang atake para sa mga nakaitim, Bataan Risers. Minti si Santillan. Statham drops it off. Natapik. Bumalik sa kanya. Wala pa rin. Rebound scramble. Baksak si Monzon. Pasaol has the ball and he stepped on the line.
Yep, it's way more physical than that last semis match for sure in the first 20 seconds.
Sigurado yan. Of course, ito si Statham, meron na yung bandage sa kanyang tuhod. He also had a cut in his finger. First attempt niya, wala. Rebound ni Santillan. Up against Troy Wright. Working on him. Side shot, yes.
Nice shot. But those one-handed short stabs are the specialty of the house for Santillan. Nice move by Monzon.
Short on that layup, and he puts up his own miss, and he converts. 1-all ang ating score. Santillan. But style niya, he's starting from the outside and working on Wright.
Yep, just taking his time, backing him down, getting to a good spot.
Good rebound by Wright. Gives it to Monzon. Goes baseline, sees an opening. Easy layup for Joshua Monzon.
Not a good switch there for Santillan. Oh, shot clock already winding down. Tagal nila maglabas ng bola.
5 seconds on their shot clock now. They're looking for Pasaol. Walang
They realize
pasa. A
it.
second to
Now
shoot.
he does.
Tiniran ni Manganti.
It's way off.
Good defense coming from the Grindhouse Kings Pasig.
Medyo walang flow ngayon yung offense ng Bataan. I know they've gone to Santillan a few times, but we haven't seen any more screens or cuts.
Pero maganda rin ang denial kasi ng Pasig kay Pasaol.
Ooh,
Uy, ginawi.
offensive foul. Good D by Pasaol.
Kitang-kita yun. So, an offensive foul on Statham. Let's take a look at this in our slow-mo. Makikita natin ang kaliwang kamay dito. Hahawiin si Pasaol. Slightly, just a slight nudge. Manganti loses the ball. Gives it to Pasaol. Look at the defense of Statham there. Ganda ng depensa.
That's respect. And that's the way to play Pasaol. You know what he can do.
Samantala, there's a foul here laban kay Pasaol. And sabi niya, ako rin, hinawakan ako kanina.
Oo.
Hindi niyo ako tinawagan. Pinapakita lang niya kung anong ginawa sa kanya. That's the first team foul para sa Bataan. Also one team foul para sa Grindhouse Kings Pasig. Monzon laban kay Chito Jaime on the switch. Crossover with the right hand. Yes!
Wow.
Here's another shot. Pasaol in and out.
Jaime humahawak. Or are they calling Monzon? They call the foul on Monzon.
Samantala, may report po si Mara Aquino tungkol sa One Bataan Risers. Mara?
Bataan Risers want to avoid getting exhausted right away dahil sobrang laki daw talaga ng kalaban and they consider Grindhouse to be more powerful. Ang kanilang biggest challenge, resistensya and endurance. Kaya they want to pace it out in this game. Noli and Charles.
Hirap ng galaw na yan ni Pasaol. Tumalbog palabas, Manganti loses the ball. Nabigay kay Monzon. Open momentarily but he didn't take the shot. Ngayon ang tumatawa sa kanya si Chito Jaime.
I like this matchup. You gotta attack Chito.
Over the back of the tira ni Joshua Monzon. Ball will go the side of One Bataan Risers. 7:04 remaining in the game. Low scoring game and a good steal by Monzon. Easy pass to Statham and now it's a 4-1 score para sa Pasig. Pasaol driving hard. Yes!
Delay of game dyan si Pasaol.
Very quick answer coming from Alvin Pasaol. Lead is down to 2. 6:42 remaining.
Very slow game to begin with.
Pumasok na sa laro si De Vera. Para kay Troy Wright. Statham working on Chito Jaime. Offensive rebound ni De Vera.
Wow, Monzon just erased Manganti.
Malaki rin si De Vera. No?
Oo.
He has the body to match up against Chito Jaime. And there's a foul here. On the drive by Sean Manganti.
No easy drives.
No easy basket so far.
But they're not giving him free throws. One referee giving him a free throw. The other one saying no. Oh no, they're saying down on the floor.
Okay, wala daw, wala.
They're getting into it with Monzon, Manganti, Jaime.
Wala pa lang yan. 6 na minuto, 17 saglit na lang po nalalabis sa ating laro. 5 ang Grindhouse Kings Pasig, 2 ang One Bataan Risers. This is the grand finals and ₱1 million at stake. Binomba ni Pasaol sa ilalim.
Oo, pero sa kakataunt niya kay Monzon, iniwan niya si Statham, although nakabawi.
Hoy, naagaw ni Chito Jaime ang bola on the drive by Statham. Pasaol from the corner. Yes! Tight game. Monzon. Pinasa kay Statham. Wala yung tira sa loob. Rebound ni Chito Jaime. They look for Pasaol. He will drive baseline.
Hindi pa
Ginamit
na-clear.
ng katawan. May foul! Pasok!
Hindi pa na-clear.
Ay, hindi pa na-clear.
Sayang, sakit nun.
Minadali ang atake ng Bataan. Babalik sa loro si Troy Reich. As we take a look at that last one, hindi pa na-clear yan. Sayang at pumasok ang tira. Samantala, back to live action. No foul. Monzon is on the floor. Oy, oy, oy. Pati ulo, pinakinuha ni Chito Jaime. And Monzon lost his temper there.
Yep.
Nakita natin yun because na medyo kinuha na yung leeg ni Chito Jaime. Now,
It is the finals.
This is the finals. I mean, if you're fighting for $1 million pesos, you gotta show a lot of those emotions here. Jaime will dive for the ball. There's a whistle, and then that motion by Jaime, yun ang inireklamo ni Monzon. But quickly he got up.
What was the call though? Was it a foul or a jump ball? Wow, yung price.
Yan yung pinaglalabanan. Bakit naman hindi ako dadive sa sahig, di ba?
So foul tinawag o jump ball?
Mukhang ang tinawag ay jump ball.
May possession arrow.
Possession arrow para sa Pasig.
Suggestion daw ni Dr. J. How about the baby tank for Alvin Pasaol? Pwede ba?
Pwede.
The baby tank. And there's the tempers starting to get their emotions. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Now it's 14 fouls para sa Pasig, 2 para sa Bataan. That will play a big role in this game.
Pasaol begging for the ball. Si Menes kay Manganti. Gusto niya si Troy Wright atakihin. And sayang nila siya nakashoot.
Rebound ni Statham. Pinasa sa loob ni Troy Wright. Binalik ni Statham. Laban kay Jaime. Natapin ang bola. Good tap by Jaime. No foul. The referees are letting it go. They're letting them play.
That was a lot of contact. I don't know.
This is
big.
3x3, takluhan, ika nga, larong kalye. Pasaol na drive, hard to the basket, wala malakas, rebound, nakuha ni Troy Reich.
Sayang.
Libre si Monzon for 2! No! Rebound by Reich, offensive! Yes! On the putback!
Delay of game. Taylor State have. Si Troy Reich, he does not get a lot of credit. Pero ang dami niyang ganun eh. Pulot, offensive rebound, laki pa rin niya eh. 6'7 pa rin siya. He's the tallest player in this tournament, I might say.
Correct. And he's got good timing.
Yeah.
6-5, lamang po ang Pasig dito.
Troy just does the dirty work.
4:24 to go.
Oh,
Mahirap yung tira ni Manganti.
This could be big. Oh, but Monzon hesitates.
Na double team. He goes inside. Good move by Joshua Monzon. Escape back. Manganti goes baseline. Yes. 7-6 lamang ang Pasig. Monzon. Sinabayan sa ere. Pumasok. And there's a foul. A possible two-point play for Joshua Monzon.
Tough drive by Monzon. Attacking Santillan, who just came off the bench. And then finishing strong over Manganti, just clearing him out of the way.
That is a strong move by Joshua Monzon. Hanging in the air. And now he has an opportunity to give their team a 1-point lead.
How
Or
long?
rather, a 3-point lead.
How long will Bataan rest Alvin Pasaol though?
Manganti sa kanto, offline, air ball. Statham, mamintangan ng bola. Tumira siya sa labas. Wala, malakas. Rebound, tinapik palabas ni Troy Reich. That will go to the Bataan Risers. And now Pasaol will go back. And there will be a timeout at the 3:46 mark.
I like this. I like that. This is a good time. Settle down. Medyo hirap yung Bataan makascore talaga eh. But give a lot of credit to the defense of the Grindhouse Kings. They're just playing tough defense.
What do you like that the Grindhouse Kings Pasig is doing right now, Charles?
Oh, they're doing a good job to defense and they're switching. And then their individual defense has also been very solid eh. Medyo hirap talaga yung Bataan sa kanila. They're closing out very hard. They're not giving any space. Kung kanina sa semi, si Pasaol had a lot of time to shoot. Ngayon wala eh. Halos lahat ng tira niya. Minamadali niya rin.
Alam mo, kagandaan itong laban ito. Laban ng dalawa sa pinakamagaling na 3x3 players, Monzon and Pasaol.
Yes,
and they're showing why they really can play this game. Santillan, laban kay Troy Reich on the switch. Now he works on Reich. Goes baseline. Reich just standing his ground. And the ball tapped out. It will go to the white shirts of Pasig.
And see, that's my example. Troy Reich, one-on-one against Santillan. He was able to stop him. Another solid stop for the Grindhouse.
And he just stands there kasi matangkad nga siya. Eh, no? Inside cut, Statham gets the ball. Walang bibigyan ng bola. Napulat ni Monzon. Naswertihan pa! And the lead is up to 3 now. From the corner, wala. Rebound, and there's a foul by Santillan. Oh, let's see. Sino tinawagan dyan? No, si Santillan
Oh,
na.
si
Nagre-reklamo
Statham is
na
like,
si Statham eh.
ako? Posible. Hindi, relax ka lang. Okay.
Lumaki yung mata niya eh, no? Yun, ika nga eh, nanlaki yung mga mata at gustong sitahin yung referee. 9-6 lang mga passing. Monson again. Sapal ni Pasaol. Bola lalabas. Loose ball picked up. Tinulak ni Chito Jaime. May baksak si Troy Reich. And there's a foul.
Yeah.
Laban kay Chito Jaime. Mga kapatid, 1 milyon po ang pinaglalabanan dito. Kaya naman nakikita nyo.
Pero yan na naman Comnoli. Nag-miss yung Grindhouse Kings. Pero hindi makuha ng bola yung bataan.
At sino na naman ang involved? Troy Reich na naman.
Again, the hustle. And ito, those little ball screen actions, there's so much space being given there by Pasol and Manganti on the switch. Mas nag-execute kasi yung Grindhouse Kings eh. Yung bataan medyo mas nag-one-on-one lang sila.
Tsaka pinamadali masyado ng bataan. Ang Grindhouse is still very composed, very poised.
You know, that ball screen earlier that led to the 2-point shot. Pasol kind of just watching the defense.
Big shot by Monson. He has been a big scorer. Near steal. Pasaol. Walang foul. He gets his own. Misapal ni Monson. He gets back the ball.
Shot clock.
Spins.
Shot
And
clock.
naubusan na ng shot clock ang bataan. Wow, what defense by Monson.
Excellent defense.
He is playing offense. Then he is playing spectacular defense. 11-6 ang ating score. Lamang ang passing. Statham. No. Rebound ni Pasaol.
May oras pa. They don't need to rush though if you're bataan. There, get score.
Manganti, there's a foul. And that will give a free throw para kay Sean Manganti.
16 foul
Yes,
or 5th?
15 foul. 11-6 ang ating score. Opportunity para si Bataan lumapit without the clock running with 2 minutes 13 remaining in this game. Winner wins the Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 crown and of course ₱1 million today. Wow. Manganti, big free throw. Wala! De Vera, pinalta niya si Statham. They can coast just a bit here. They're up by 5. Narito si Monzon. Nakasingit na naman! Pero tinawagan ng travel.
Kaya pala nakalusot, I was about to say. Sobrang ikli ng pahinga ni Statham. Balik siya kaagad. Time out naman yung Grindhouse Kings ngayon. I think, yeah, medyo winded na rin.
And we need this break with 1 minute and 55 remaining. Now, ano ang naiiwan pa sa bag of tricks ng Bataan? That is the question. They're down by 5. They've played solid defense, but their offense has deserted them. Yung mga tira nila sa labas, hindi pumapasok. And of course, yung laki, size ng passing has really bothered them inside.
Let's see if they can maybe get to the free throw line, get 2 free throws, and try to get your bearings there. Although, yes, Manganti did miss a free throw earlier, pero you gotta attack quick.
They need to move quickly and score fast. Another runner that goes out. Rebound ni Troy Reich. Statham. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Follow up na naman ni Troy Reich.
Ayun naman, all the little things, all the dirty work for Troy Reich. They're not gonna call plays for him.
Nangalahati na ang score. Nauubusan na ng oras. Ang Bataan, another miss from Santillan, and it looks like Pasig has full control of his game. With 1 minute and 24, they're up by 6, possibly 8, and he does bring it to 8. Joshua Monzon with a 2-point shot. Pasaol nakawala. A meek reply coming from Bataan.
Hinayaan ni Troy Reich, which is the right thing to do. Give up 1, don't give up 2.
At mukhang ang Bataan, tinaas na rin ang bandera na puti. Hindi na sila masyado nagpipressure. There's a foul by Pasaol. And the Grindhouse Kings Pasig is now starting to count their money.
Yep, they know it. They're kind of Statham smiling. He's happy now.
They will be smiling all the way to the bank here after this game. Statham at the line. Gusto niyang dagdagan ang kanilang 7 puntos na kalamangan with 1 minute and 1 second remaining. Statham makes the free throw. It's up to 8. Pasaol from the corner. Wala na naman. And that has been a microcosm of this game. Walang outside shot. The defense has been spectacular para sa Pasig. And it's been frustration here para sa Bataan.
Manganti has been very off. Alvin Pasol has been shut down. You talked about having the 2 best players on each squad, maybe the whole tournament. But in this game, I think it was clear that Joshua Monzon was the one who was able to take over on both ends of the floor with a block, great defense, and then his scoring, while Pasol has been relatively quiet. Ooh!
And that's the icing in the cake by Statham with a 2-point shot. Kapos na lahat ang tira ng Bataan. The Grindhouse Kings Pasig will crown themselves as the Chooks to Go Pilipinas champions. Another putback by Statham, and they are celebrating now with 23 seconds remaining. Pasaol, tinaping ang bola, lalabas. Let's see, it will go back to Pasig, and they are 17 seconds away from winning the title. Monzon,
Much deserved title.
much deserved. 3 championships in 4 legs. They did not breeze to the finals. They had a hard time getting here. They had to grind it out. But in this finals, they played a near perfect offensive-defensive game, Charles.
Yeah, no, I think losing the early stages to Bataan ng previous legs was actually good for them. Medyo wake-up call na, oy, we're not gonna breeze through everything that easily. No? May competition talaga tayo dito. They had to earn it. A lot of tough battles, a lot of close calls also, even if they won 3 out of the 5 legs. You know what? But I think without a doubt, they were the best team. Maybe individually also, but as a whole team, solid talaga tong team na to.
Only 8.5 seconds remaining in the foul. Si Troy Reich. And Statham is already doing the victory lap here. Monzon is all smiles. De Vera is already celebrating on the bench. And why not? They deserve this win. They deserve the title of champions. They deserve 1 million pesos, and the winner of the Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 Grand Finals, ang Grindhouse Kings Pasig, winning it 19-7 laban sa Bataan Risers.
Well, they dominated the game from start to finish. There was one stretch though, Bataan was able to tie it early on. Medyo nag-comeback na, but after that, all Grindhouse Kings. Can you imagine? Bataan, one of the best offensive teams sa tournament, only 7 points in the finals. Wow.
Testament to the defense ng Pasig, Charles. Talagang inigil nila si Pasaol, nawala yung shooting sa labas. Of course, ang Bataan also missed Anton Asisio. I think Chito Jaime couldn't deliver. Santillan was really bogged down by Troy Reich. And Troy Reich played a good game, but this guy deserves our best player of the game. Joshua Monzon was a stalwart from the offense. He played tough defense as well.
Got them going, scored their first 3 points of the game, and you know, really, he was just the heart of that team, both on both ends of the floor. Very impressive performance from Joshua Monzon.
Siya nga di Chooks to Go Manok ng Bayan player of the game. What a victory para kay Joshua Monzon. And he is right now standing by with Mara Aquino. Mara?
Our best player of the game, Joshua Monzon, congratulations. Now doing the free throw shot, you and Taylor Statham were yelling at each other. What were you guys saying to each other then?
We were just taking a moment to embrace each other. I mean, it's been a long journey. It's been a long battle these past couple months, and right now it just seems like it all came together. It was all worth it.
Now you're the #1 3x3 player in the country. All 4 legs, 5 legs, you guys were in the finals. You won the ₱1 million, and now you have a ticket to 3x3 World Tour Doha. Now let's talk about how you dominated the President's Cup.
I mean, it was just through hard work and dedication. I mean, we came back in January and we knew we had a goal. Our goal was to, you know, lay everything on the line every chance we got and come out here and just give everything we have. And I think it's I don't know, I'm just grateful. We're just grateful to be here, honestly.
Now, we all see the chemistry that you guys have inside the half court. But let's talk about the brotherhood and what goes on behind the scene. Let's talk about how close you guys are.
I mean, we're a very close-knit group. We hang out all the time. I mean, me and Troy play on the same D-League team, so I'm with him every day of the week. And then me and Taylor, we're both from, you know, we come from the same place. So it's just a brotherhood. And Dylan has been our kuya throughout the whole journey. So, I mean, it's definitely a brotherhood. I mean, I couldn't imagine being here with any other guys in them.
Now, this is what we all want to know. What do you guys plan to do with the ₱1 million?
Oh man, that's a tough question right now, but you know, I think it's just we're just grateful, honestly, just grateful and thankful for our sponsors, Grindhouse, Sir Ronald, Sir Mel, and Chooks to Go. I just want to be thankful for them putting on a great event past couple months, and just want to thank you.
You've definitely gained a lot of fans. What's your message to the people out there who constantly support you and Grindhouse Kings?
We just want to say thank you. I mean, without you guys, we know we wouldn't be putting in this hard work, and just want to say thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, champ!